Before buying an electric guitar, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Real buyers are definitely talking about how these guitars can be overwhelming for beginners, and I'm here to help you find the right fit. Product number 1, Huang Chang Mini Guitar Toy for Kids. First up is the Huang Chang 16-inch mini guitar toy for kids, priced at just $39.11. What caught my eye is how it's designed specifically for toddlers and beginners, making it a fun way to spark an interest in music without the complications of a full guitar. If you want to introduce your little one to music, this is worth a serious look. This mini guitar aims to provide a simple musical experience for kids, helping them develop skills like hand-eye coordination and creativity. It has 4 sturdy strings that are not easy to break, which means it can withstand some enthusiastic playtime. Plus, it's lightweight and small enough for little hands to hold comfortably. Let's be real, kids can be rough on toys, so durability is a big plus here. Now, some people complained about the size, saying it might not be suitable for older kids. Here's the thing though, while it's designed for toddlers, it can still be a great starter for anyone looking to get a feel for playing music without the pressure of a full-sized instrument. This is perfect for you if you want something safe and fun for your child to explore music. Skip this one if you're looking for a serious instrument for an older child. For $39.11, it's a great entry-level option. Now, if that size limitation bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Donner 30-inch Kids Electric Guitar Beginner Kit, priced at $164.04. This model grabbed my attention because it's a complete starter kit with everything you need to get started, including an amp. If you're looking for a genuine electric guitar experience, this is worth a serious look. This guitar features a 30-inch body, which is perfect for kids and beginners. It comes with an amp that delivers decent sound quality for practice, so you won't be stuck with a toy that doesn't sound good. Plus, the kit includes a 600D bag, tuner, picks, and extra strings, making it incredibly convenient for new players. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having all the accessories included means you can start playing right away without additional costs. Now, some users mentioned that the sound from the amp can be a bit underwhelming, but honestly, for a beginner's kit, I think it still delivers solid value. It's designed to help newcomers get started without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one package to jump into learning guitar. Skip this one if you're looking for something more advanced. For $164.04, you're getting great value as a beginner. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those wanting a slightly bigger guitar.
Product number 3, Acklot 36-inch Kids Electric Guitar, priced at $167.83. What caught my eye is its solid body design and the fact that it's just a bit larger than the others, making it a great choice for kids growing into their skills. If you want something that will grow with your child, this is worth a serious look. This guitar is designed with a 3/4 size body that's easier for beginners to handle while still providing a rich sound. It comes with a 10-watt amp and all the necessary accessories, including a gig bag, strap, and picks. The wider neck of 1.5 inches allows for more comfortable playing, which is especially beneficial for kids still developing their finger strength. Here's why this matters for you. As your child's skills progress, this guitar won't hold them back. Some reviews mentioned that the strings might need adjusting out of the box, but honestly, I think a little setup is expected with beginner instruments, and it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a guitar that can accommodate growing players. Skip this one if you're looking for something smaller and more portable. For $167.83, it's a solid investment for future players. Now, if you're still looking for something a bit more compact, the next one might just fit the bill. Product number 4, Donner 30-inch Kids Electric Guitar Kit. Next is another gem from Donner, the 30-inch Kids Electric Guitar Beginner Kit, priced at $164.04. This one caught my attention because it has a TL-style design, which some players find more comfortable. If you're looking for something stylish yet functional, this is worth a serious look. Similar to the previous Donner model, this kit includes an amp, bag,
tuner, picks, cable, and extra strings. The TL-style body is great for kids and offers a unique sound profile that many musicians prefer. This matters because it allows young players to learn on an instrument that could be more relatable to the guitars they'll see in real-life performances. However, a few users noted that it can be a bit heavier compared to other beginner guitars. Here's the thing though, that extra weight might actually help with stability when playing. This is perfect for you if you want a fashionable option that still delivers quality sound. Skip this one if your child prefers ultralight instruments. For $164.04, you're getting a very good starter package. Now, if you're searching for a more budget-friendly option, the last one could be just what you need.
Product number 5, Win's EGM 100 Kids Electric Guitar. Finally, we have the Win's EGM 100, a 30-inch real electric guitar priced at $111.04. What stands out here is its affordability combined with decent quality for beginners, making it a perfect starter guitar. If you're working with a tighter budget, this is worth a serious look. This guitar is right-handed and comes in a rose-burst finish that adds a nice touch. It's fairly lightweight and easy for kids to manage, which is great when they're just starting out. The sound quality is surprisingly good for the price, allowing kids to practice without frustration. Here's why this matters. You want them to enjoy playing, and a decent sound can keep them motivated. Some users did mention that the tuning stability isn't perfect, which can be frustrating for new players. But hey, a little tuning here and there is part of learning, right? This is perfect for you if you want an entry-level guitar that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something with more features. For $111.04, it's a solid value for beginners. Now, to wrap things up,
so there you have it. The Huang Chang Mini Guitar Toy is great for the youngest musicians, while the Donner kits offer a more complete experience for beginners. The A-Clot provides a bit more room for growth, and the Win's guitar is perfect for those on a budget. Each has its strengths, so think about what you need and pick the one that feels right for you.